All right, ladies and gentlemen, today's assignment is not very difficult. It just has an extra step. So this piece of paper right here, it's attached to the Google Classroom assignment. It's called grid paper for printing. You need to print this paper out so that you have a piece of grid paper to use. You also need a ruler to use and a pencil. And so what I did here is I made a big L and I numbered them off. So remember on a coordinate grid that we're using, I put the numbers kind of off in the corner here, but this one represents this line right here. I put it there because you can't see it if I put it right on the line. So like over here you can see this one is right lined up with this, two is lined up with this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw an L, and I do them usually like 10 by 10. So this corner is 0, and then this one is 1, this one is 2, 3, 4, 5. So you gotta make your own coordinate grid here. All right, this one over here is 10. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and so we basically have two things that we're looking at doing today. We're looking at doing find the length of the line segment connecting the points, and then you're drawing a polygon. So I'm going to do number 3 and number 6 for you, just so you can kind of see what it looks like. So I need to put point C and point D on this grid. Okay, so C is 0, 1. Remember, the first coordinate here is horizontal. The second coordinate is vertical. So it goes X is the horizontal, and Y is the vertical. So it's X, Y. So 0 is I don't go left or right at all, and then I come up here to 1. I put a heavy dot, and I put a C next to it because this is point C. And then for D, it's 8, 1. So I come over here to 8, and I come up here to 1. Put a heavy dot. Notice I put the dot right where the two lines meet because that's where the coordinate is. And this is D. Now what you want to do is you want to take a ruler. You want to make this line heavier so you can actually tell that it's connected. Okay, and then you want to find the length of the line segment. So basically what you can do is you can count the segments here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or if you're more mathy about it, you can just do 8 minus 0 is 8. So the line segment here is 8. Okay, and I just write the 8 on the line segment. That makes it kind of easy to see, or you can circle it. You can do what you want to do. All right, for number 6, what you're going to do, so that's how you did 3, 4, and 5. For number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, here's what you're going to do. You're going to put these points over here on this, and you're going to connect them with lines, and you're going to draw the polygon. Okay, so G is 1.5, so I'm going to come over here. 1.5 would be in the middle, and come up to 4. So 1.5 to 4 would be right about there. Half would be in between the two lines. So this would be G. H would be 1.5 to 8, which would be up here. This would be H. J would be 5, 8, 5, 8, which would be right here. That is J. And K would be 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 would be here. And that would be K. And then what you would do is you would connect all these. It's better if you connect them with a ruler, but I'm just doing it quickly to show you. And that's what those rest of those would look like. Remember, half is just in between 1 and 2 in the middle. So that's where the 1.5 would be there. It looks like they're only giving half measure, so you should be good there. All right, ready, set, go.